Good day, students! Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. For today's lesson, we have variation. A variation is the relationship among variables expressed as a ratio or a proportion. A kilo of rice costs 38 pesos. What is the cost of 3 kilos, 4 kilos, 7 kilos, and 10 kilos? I have here the table, shows the number of kilos and the cost of it. If I buy 1 kilo of rice, it is cost 38 pesos. If 3 kilos, it will be 114 pesos. 4 kilos, it will be 152 kilos, and 7 kilos will be 266 kilos. Lastly, if we buy 10 kilos, it will cost you 380 pesos. Based on the given table above, let's answer the following. Number 1, as the number of kilos increases, what will happen to the amount? Of course, it is also increases. 2, what is the ratio of 38 to 1, 14 to 1, 114 to 3, 152 to 4? Okay, that is 38 to 1. What variable represents the constant 38? That is the variable C for the cost. What variable represent 1, 3, 4, and 7? That is a number of kilos or variable N. And then 38, 114, and 152 is the cost or C. If the value of N is 10, what is C? Okay, that is 380 pesos. So if we buy 10 kilo of rice, we will have 380 pesos to pay. What equation is used to get C? So we use equation of to get C, that is N, which is the number of kilos, times our constant, which is 38 or C, is equal to the number of C. That example is called direct variation. If the variable is represented by x and y, and k is the ratio of the constant of variation, then y is equal to y over x is equal to k, or y is equal to k times x. This is read as y varies directly as x, y varies as x, and y is directly proportional to x. Indirect variation, increase in the value of one variable correspond to an increase in the value of the other variable, and a decrease in the value of one variable corresponds to a decrease in the value of the other variable. Let's have an example. Write an equation using k as constant of variation. A varies directly as b. It will be k is equal to a over b, or if we need to find the value of a, it will be a is equal to k times b. Remember that k is the constant. Next, x varies as y. It is k is equal to x over y, or x is equal to k times y. X varies as y, and x is equal to 12 when y is equal to 4. What is the constant of the variation? So we have k is equal to x over y, and we need to substitute the given. That is x is equal to 12, so we'll have 12 over y is equal to 4, so 12 over 4. And 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. That means the constant here is 3. A varies as b. Find a when b is equal to 16 and k is equal to 2. This time, we have k is equal to a over b, but we have the value of k and we need to find out the value of b. So, we'll be having a is equal to k times b. Substitute the value of b and k. So, we have 2 times 16 and a is equal to 32. Let's have another word problem. Dominic can finish painting a room in 6 hours. If Lloyd will help him in painting the room, they would finish it in 4 hours. You will notice in the given problem that if one person will finish the painting of a room, it will have 6 hours. If we will add another person to paint the room, so it will decrease in 4 hours. So, nagbawas siya ng 2 hours. Kung madadagdagan pa sila ng another person, it will make a 3 person in painting a room, maybe it will become 2 hours, right? So, if you will notice here, the one variable here is increasing while the other variable is decreasing. So, it is called inverse variation. The opposite because an increase in a value of one quantity corresponds to a decrease in the value of the other quantity. This is read as, if y varies inversely as x, y is inversely proportional to x. In symbol, k is equal to yx or y is equal to k over x. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. God bless.